DIY professionals. I'm up to this part now. What I'm doing is I've got two marks here. One is to make sure my strip drain is level. So we're going off that mark, get that grit out of there. Going off that mark, then to that mark. So that's nice and level, that strip drain. The other mark I've got is to make sure I'm the same either side. So we're on the mark there. That's for my fall. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to be going from here down to there. That is my fall. I've got to make sure this is level now and nice and straight and flat. So the odd little hole there, so we'll just fill that up and then I'll screed it off nice and flat with my level. A little bit of mucking around here because the owners want a strip drain. They said to me that the smart waste collects a lot of hair, which it does, but you just clean them out regularly. These are the best drain I reckon you can get. So now that's going to be my fall. So we drag it off. Now you see that fall? That is beautiful. That's not my floor tile, but my floor tile is roughly the same thickness. That'll finish nicely like that. With a little bit of glue under the tile, I'll be slightly lifting this strip drain, which is cool. That's how much fall I've got it. And it's going to be the same in both sides. Now I drag it back, and then where's my other tile there? This is the floor tile, and I'm going to be going like that. So I've got to take that down a little bit yet. And it'll be falling like that. And it'll be going, well, I should go half, or no, halfway will look shitty. I don't want to join down the center, so I need to go like that, halfway. And then like that, but I don't want a small piece there either. I've got to give that a little bit of thought. I don't want a small cut. Yuck. So if I did have a join down the middle, so be it, maybe. I've got to give that some thought. because it'll go like that. That'll be my angle, because it's going to be sloping down there that way and also falling down